Hello students, some of the questions I am going to discussing related to the ways of communication. Here question number 1, dash plays an important role in the development of a country. Here option A, plants only, option B, animals only, option C, communication. Here the answer is communication. Communication plays an important role in the development of a country. Question number 2, dash is used for sharing our thoughts and ideas with others, which is helpful. A, communication, B, transport, C, pollution. Here the correct answer is communication. Communication is used for sharing our thoughts and ideas with others. Uh, Question number 3, devices which we use to talk or to send messages to different people are called, what are those? Option A, means of production, option B, means of transport, option C, means of communication. Answer is means of communication. Devices which we use to talk or to send messages to different people are called means of communication. Question number 4, dash were used for sending messages in ancient times, which were used pigeons, crows and parrots. You know the answer? A, pigeon. Pigeons were used for sending messages in ancient times. Royal messages were passed by means in the ancient times royal messages from the kings, they were passed through option A, pigeons, option B, horsemen, option C, parrots. In the ancient times the royal messages were passed by horsemen. Question number 6, in modern times dash and dash communications are used. Which are used? A, personal communications, B, mass communications, C, both A and B. Means what is the answer here? Both A and B. In modern times we are using personal communications and also mass communications. Examples for personal communications are mobiles, emails, and mass communication examples are television, radio, newspapers. Question number 7, sending messages to a single person is called. Means we are going to communicate to a single person. What is that? Personal communication, mass communication, or both A and B? Answer is personal communication. Sending messages to a single person is called personal communication. See here, 8th one, emails are used for personal and mass communications. True or false? Yes, it is a true. Emails are used for personal and also mass communications. Question number 9, dash are the most common written communication. A, email, B, letters, C, WhatsApp. The answer is B, letters. Letters are the most common written communication. Question number 10, telephone is an electrical system of communication. True or false? Yes, it is a true. Telephone is an electrical system of communication and it has connected with the wires. Question number 11, we can make the direct calls within the country on option A, STD, option B, IST, option C, GST. The answer is STD. We can make the direct calls within the country, within our India, from STD, and out of the country we have to do with the IST codes. See student, some questions I will discuss here. Which is faster, a letter or an email? Yes, answer is the emails. Emails can be sent and received within a few minutes. Email is a much faster form of communication than a letter. And next question number 2, which reaches more people, a social media post or an advertising campaign? The answer is both. The social medias and the advertising campaign, they will reach a more number of people at a time. Can you say some advantages and disadvantages of the forms of communication like emails, mobile phones or post? Means the ways of communication have some advantages and also have some disadvantages also. What are those? We can discuss one another. See, you can see here, mobile phones can easily fit into your pocket or a bag. We can carry it wherever we are going. But your eyes get damaged by using much time of these mobiles. Many people don't even own a camera nowadays because their phone has all the images and videos capturing capability that they require. In olden days we have to buy the cameras, but nowadays if we have mobiles we no need to buy a camera. And disadvantage is you will lose concentration on other things like work and study. If we play games or we see videos, anything we are seeing at phones, we can lose our concentration on our works and studies. And third, mobile phones can access the internet. You can do countless tasks through different applications. We can do many more things by using the internet. But disadvantage is if you see them mobile phones continuously, it leads to headache and brain disorders. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the ways of communication. See here, what are the main means of communication in our country? What are the main medias we are using in our country? Means answer is, the main means of communication in our country are post office, radio, television, telephone, newspaper and email. These are the most using the communication medias. And question number 3, what are the main advantages of email and there any disadvantage? Answer is, the main advantage of sending an email is it reaches the other person quickly. The disadvantage of email is that it requires an email address and an internet connection. Without internet connection we cannot send these to the persons. And these are the important questions which I have discussed with you. I think these are all can understand by you. If you are not understood, you can ask me. And thank you.